Did you know that an entire city once demanded participation in evil so violently that God had to blind them all? This is the terrifying true story of Sodom's last night. Two angels arrived at Lot's house disguised as travelers, but word spread quickly through the city about these mysterious, beautiful strangers. By nightfall, every man in Sodom surrounded Lot's home, demanding he send out his guests so they could assault them. Lot was trapped. In desperation, he even offered his own daughters to protect his visitors, but the mob refused. They wanted the strangers, and they wanted Lot to participate in their evil. Then something supernatural happened. The angels struck every man with blindness. The mob stumbled around helplessly, unable to find the door. The angels urgently told Lot's family to flee before dawn because God's judgment was coming. Here's the chilling truth. Evil societies don't just tolerate corruption, they eventually demand everyone participate. But even when we're completely surrounded by darkness, God's protection is stronger than any mob.